Welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
Enthusiasm there. Wow, winter in Ontario, southern Ontario. Just came out to shoot a video, but Mother Nature had other plans this morning, and we got a pretty good dumping on our butts. It doesn't help having a 100-foot driveway in this kind of conditions. So this is a fairly short video. It's only really got 2 items in it, but oddly enough, this is video 200 on the channel, which it's hard to believe you can get through that many videos in a short time. At least it feels like a short time to us. Whew, sorry, I'm a little out of breath between shoveling and snow blowing. So, it's a t-shirt draw. It's the final one of 2025 already. We're at the end of the year. And got a quick short update on the Mercury, so I think I'll just get that out of the way, and then I'll let you know how you can have a chance to win a t-shirt. So we did another session of what we call the Dust Bowl, and I'll insert a couple of small clips. Mitch and I were tackling the rest of this quarter panel. I'm going to have dust all over me, so you can have a look here. So this is stripped of all the paint now and all the Bondo. I think there's just a little bit at the bottom of that rocker, and you'll see from the clip that Tim did an amazing job getting all the rest of the windshield pillar cleared of any little paint chips and seam sealer, and there was probably some caulking in there as well. He did a number on the firewall. That is mostly already all stripped. And then we finished off our day by tackling the interior. So this really is, I gotta tell you, there's nothing enjoyable about no radio, constant vibration. It was kind of loud in here and dust everywhere, of course. But we've got a whole lot of the interior all stripped now. Mitch was working on the back seat area, which is just grueling. Like, Mitch and I are over 6 feet tall, so little spaces like that kind of suck for us. And we've got a good start on all the back seat area. Let's see here, all the pillars all cleared. It looks awesome. We've got some really nice metal here. So this has kind of been the plan with the Merc here. We're trying to get the rest of this last of the paint out of the way so that we can get back onto our sheet metal work. Of course, there's still a bunch of that to do and a whole lot of welding. And that's probably what we're going to stay on now. We thought maybe we were going to get onto the engine, but honestly, it's all wrapped up over there and it's not in our way. So I think this is the plan. We're just going to keep working on this body until we have it where we want it. And then we can move on to the next leg, which will be the engine, of course. And of course, we've got doors and a trunk and a hood, repairs, of course. So that's all a part of the job. So this is really kind of boring, but it has to be done. So we're getting there. Like I said, it's a pretty short video. I am totally out of breath, and I actually got a couple more runs to do out there. So if you're interested in a chance to win a t-shirt, it is really simple. You have to be a subscriber, and you have to comment on this video. And for this video, you need to comment, let's keep with the trend right now, eat my dust. So just comment on this video, eat my dust. And in the next video, which will probably be roughly within a week, we'll draw 3 winners. We're going to give away 3 shirts, and we'll even give you an opportunity to upgrade to a long sleeve shirt because it is most definitely that kind of weather here. So I know I would rather have a long sleeve shirt. And the only thing is, we're giving away Hot Cars shirts, so there'll be a crest on the front and a print on the back. So you're getting a double print out of this deal. So that's not so bad. So remember to comment, eat my dust. And for the guys who took guesses on Reggie's Ranchero project, you'll automatically be thrown into the draw. And yeah, so I guess that is all I got right now. So I wish everybody luck in the draw, and we will see you next week. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.